There's no scene more quintessentially English than that of the country goods yard, once scattered about the country to such an extent that there was hardly a village in England without one, and it's vital to remember the importance of the role they had to play in getting goods to where it was wanted in the days before good road transport. Take Quorn, for instance. No sooner had a train arrived, it would be opened up and unloaded. An arduous task it may seem, but with everybody mucking in, it doesn't take long, even with the last-minute consignments. Hello, British Railways Quorn. A couple of boxes, you say? No problem, we'll put them on the next one. And before you could bat an eyelid, and they've arrived in the goods shed ready for labelling. Now to price up this one. Here comes the next lorry load, for there's goods in these vans that are to be sent to destinations all over the country, some local and some not so. But it's important that once they've arrived, they're packed and loaded onto the vans on time. There's grain, for instance. That's packed and weighed in these sacks, and once their weight is noted and charged, porters will be coming in and out of the shed like shuttlecocks, taking care not to rip the sacks, of course. Just the final trailer to go now, and one last look to ensure that everything is stacked right. With the higher speeds obtained by the railways nowadays, it's important that they don't all topple over during transit, and that can get rather costly and would reflect badly upon the railway. With the final placement of parcels, the train is fully loaded. Hello, signalman. Train ready for departure. And with that, the final door is slammed shut, and the train ready for off. The lorry's off too, off to drop another load of consignments around the village, and pick up a load of new ones. And so the cycle continues, and the train truffs its merry way across the green fields of England, to where somewhere there are another batch of porters awaiting the arrival of a trainload of sacks and parcels at other country goods yards.